Chandan Kumar, recently you got an offer from a multinational company that is into the fresher positioning. The position which was offered for you as a SAP BASIS consultant, and that is into a very good salary package too. Now in this forum we are trying to understand what are the basis questions came into that panel so that you got selected and grabbed the opportunity. So prior to that, first of all, congratulations for this opportunity. And can you show us the evidence that you got selected in that company?
Okay, thank you very much for your compliments. And here is the proof that I have been selected.
Okay, so little bit zoom, yeah. So you got a offer letter, and definitely on the 13th you selected. Your name is Chandan Kumar, and 14th June your joining is there. That's great. So Chandan Kumar, now we have to understand from your side what sort of questions are coming into the interview panel. But prior to that, let's understand one more thing. How many panel of interview was set for you?
There were three were there.
Okay, there are three panels. Can you just elaborate the panels first? How that panels is? First panel is what? Is that the screening round or interview project managerial round? Which kind of rounds it
First
is like?
one is a screening round.
Okay, and then second one
Uh,
is that the interview project managerial round or HR round?
a project manager round.
And last one is the HR round.
HR round.
Okay, so your first round of interview was done as the screening round. Genuinely, the screening round is happened as to find the availability of the students, whether he or she is available for that time frame or not to attend the interview. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
The second round is called it as a project managerial round, where the skill set of that particular job seekers has to identify and find it out whether he or she is suitable for that positioning or not. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
And the third round, which is called it as a HR round, there the salary negotiations and the discussions is carried out. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me understand. First round, we understand it is a screening round, and we are parking the first round. It is nothing much important. Now, the middle round, which we understand called the second round, is much more important for each and every job seekers or who are looking this particular video too. So, can you show us how many questions they asked you? How many questions are asked by the interviewers?
Around 15 to 20 questions are been asked.
Okay, that's good. And how many members are asking these questions? Means in interview, how many panel members are there?
Uh, there are around 3 to 4 people.
Three to four peoples are the panel members. Okay, now let me understand one more thing. Whether the interview is scheduled by telephonic or face to face.
It is telephonic.
It's a telephonic interview. Now, come to the main topic. Come to the main topic that is called your interview questions. So, can you just tell us what are the 15 to 20 questions they asked?
Actually, I don't remember all of the questions. A few of them I think I remembered, which I can share with you all.
Okay, so at least can you able to tell us 10 questions, 50% of the questions you can say also that our job seekers who are really struggling into the market, they can able to prepared and go for the interview and got the success. So what is the first question?
First question is to the T code to create a new user code.
Okay, so it's related to the transaction code.
Yes.
Okay, and what should be the second question?
The process to create role.
Okay, so I understand you are noted it down somewhere and just going to cross check. That's the good thing. One thing I just have to tell you, each and every job seekers, once the interview is done, then definitely all the questions a person cannot be remember. If you are remembering, that's fine, it's a very good thing, but as much as possible you can able to remember and quickly note it down so that you can able to prepare for the next jump. Similar way, I understand Chandan is also noted down those questions and trying to help you out. So Chandan, what is the third question?
A transaction code to transport request from one client to another client.
That's a good thing. What should be the transaction code through which you can able to transfer a request from one client to the another client? This is the third question.
SCC1N.
Okay, that answer also you know very well. Okay, SCC1N. Here I just have to tell you one more thing, my dear friends. There are two types of transaction code called SCC1 and SCC1N. These are the two different transaction code. So in ACC or up to ACC, the SCC1 transaction code work out, and as soon as you are jumping to SAP S4 HANA, SCC1N transaction code is facilitated and SCC1 transaction code obsolete. In fact, any of you wanted to know how the SCC1N transaction code interfaces look like, then definitely it is available in our YouTube channel. We already posted. There are many facilities, many UI, many flexible UI, historical and data transmissions related activities. SAP is facilitated in a very massive way, and that information is also available on that particular video. You guys can able to go through that video. You will get a concrete clarity if you are not work in the SCC1N transaction code. Now move to the fourth question. What should be the fourth question?
There was one question, difference between R3 and R1, something.
Okay, it's a very generic question. The interviewer is asked to Chandan, what is the difference between R by 3 application and R by 1 application? It's purely required for designing a architecture. Being a fresher, many people do not know what is the client level of architecture and SAP server level of architecture. Okay, to understand the concept, this kind of question is asked to Chandan. Okay, so what should be the fifth question?
Transaction code to maintain table value.
So what should be the transaction code to maintain the table value? Whether it is a custom table, and definitely it is a custom table, not whether. How you are going to maintain the data in the custom table? What should be the transaction code you have to prefer? That they are asking. So sometimes what will happen, the answer should be same, but bit a different angle the interviewer can able to ask the question. Okay, so you have to go in depth so that you can understand better. So Chandan Kumar, go to the next level of question, the sixth question. Which one is?
uh, Transaction code to import request from one client to another client.
So what should be the transaction code importing a request from one client to the another client? Which I understand from Chandan is they are precisely asking and more focus about the transaction code. So I also insist to each and every job seekers who are looking this video, they can able to prepare at least the transaction code so that you guys can able to grab the opportunity in nearby or very quickly. So what will be the seventh question?
I was asked about SAP basis. What is SAP basis?
Okay, so it's again generic question they are asking. And what should be the next question? Eighth question.
Another question was what is the role of an SAP basis?
Okay, again, it is a very generic question. Understand the communication part as well as the confident for which you are coming and giving the interview, how you are feeling yourself. Okay, then what is the next question? Ninth question.
Transaction code to create background.
Okay, so how a background job is going to create, what should be the transaction code that they are trying to ask? Is that so?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the next question called the 10th question? Okay, so I understand Chandan is noted it out up to the ninth question, but yes, I just have to tell you one more thing. Every student can understand self introduction also is the first part where many in the sense 80 to 90% of the organizations are started at the interview panel journey. So once the interview is going to start, everyone is going to ask you, can you give your self introduction? Can you share your personal information? Can you share your educational qualification details? Can you share your career portfolio? All this meaning is same thing. Give your self introduction. And I hope so, Chandan, it was also asked to you.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the most informative questions, most important questions for getting a job in SAP basis level in this particular era. So today we are in the July, right? Sorry, it's
June.
the June 2023, and you can understand if Chandan is going to get a offer in June 2023, and this is the June 23 questions which we are flashing it out and share across with you. So guys, please prepare and take the opportunity as quick as possible. Here the job opportunities are available and you can grab it very quickly if you can prepare yourself. One thing I just have to ask you, Chandan, many of the students are asking a very simple question, or it is a generic question also. Can the fresher level of job available into this market, that is into the SAP ERP package, is this possible?
Yes, it is possible through Metaphor Consulting.
No, it's not metaphor consulting. There are many organizations are available in this market who are giving this kind of facilities. Out of them, metaphor consulting is one of them. I just have to re-ensure to each and every person's job seekers, don't be frosted. Keep patience. Fresher level of SAP jobs are available in front of you. Chandan is there. He also got this opportunity as a fresher level. In fact, his friend P. Manish is also got the fresher level of opportunity. We placed four students in the first week of June. It's June, right?
Yes.
First week of June 2023, and all are placed in the fresher level and in a very good salary package. All are in MNC. So don't be misguided. Try in the fresher level, you'll get a success. And definitely, if you want to look for only and only selected questions, watch this video. You will get information. If you are not going to find the answer of these questions, drop a chat message in the chat box. Definitely, our team is going to help you out. So, Chandan Kumar, thank you very much for your precious time. We are highly obliged. And once again, congratulations for your success and grabbing the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you very much.